Hi Sagittarius people. Let's see Sagittarius zodiac reading. What is coming up for you in the month of April? Please remember, this will be a general reading. It will not resonate or match with every one of you. Okay, you can book a private reading for that. You can email me or DM me on Instagram. Okay, my Instagram ID link I have mentioned in the description box below. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram, Divine Energy Tarot. And please like, share, subscribe, motivate me. Okay, Sagittarius, Queen of Wands. Okay, the Lovers. And what's this card? Reverse. Two of Wands, reverse. Two of Wands card we have received in reverse. Okay, Queen of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. Oh my god. The World. Oh my god. Wow. Nine of Cups, the Tower. Oh my god, the World and the Tower next to each other. Oh wow. So Sagittarius, if you are a male watching this, a man watching this, you have someone who is in your life, in your mind, in your heart, who is very intuitive, very strong with their intuition. They have some psychic powers. They might have a cat also, or a black cat also there, or their sign is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign. Strongly in their birth chart, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign. So you are dealing with another Sagittarius or as well as a Leo, Aries. So yeah, and Leo, Scorpio, Taurus and Aquarius also I am seeing. Gemini seeing, I am seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also I am seeing. But strong energies of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Aquarius and Gemini and Taurus also for some of you. So you had some sort of ending with this person, or in your life in general you had some sort of ending, definitely, and some sort of cycle has completed in your life. 8 number is touching you strongly. You are infinite being. I can sense that this is not your first birth in this earth. I can sense that you might have a tattoo or you might have a birthmark. I don't know why I'm feeling this. So yeah, lot of messages I'm getting in your reading. So this is not your first birth basically. 8 number might be touching you. How? It can be your date of birth, or you are dealing with somebody who is number 8 or 8th month, or your birthday total, a year, month and birth date total. So it can be coming to the 8 number. That is called life path number also. So 8 number is quite strongly touching you. Some dates may be important to you. So if you are a female watching this, you are dealing with another Sagittarius or Aries, Leo person, and this person was in and out of your life, in and out, on and off relationship, and you guys had a strong, passionate physical relationship with each other, and you had some sort of ending with that person with this Tower movement. Now you both are single. That person is also single. You are also single. So one of you is quite selfish, either you or your person. Yeah, one of you is quite selfish and focused on their money and independence. And if you are a female watching this, dealing with a Sagittarius or a male person who is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then that person was on and off and in and out in your life, in your relationship, and that person is quite being selfish and focused on their money. Pentacles, the single, they are very single, they want to be single, those sort of energy I am feeling. If you are male, then you were waiting for this Queen of Wands lady, this intuitive lady, who might have a cat, or whose sign is Aries, whose sign might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you were waiting. Now you are dreaming about them, this and feeling that this person was your past life connection. You still feel strong attraction towards that person, this person, if you are a male watching this, and currently you are single. You have a lot of love for them. I can feel it. Hmm. And some sort of karma has occurred in your life, and you have some sort of shocking endings, or you have faced some shock, and one cycle is completed in your life basically. And if not, then in April month all the karmic people will be removed out of your life, and all the shocking endings will bring you to some sort of new beginnings, okay, and positive people will come into your life, okay. Your energy is quite slow if you are male. Definitely you had some sort of endings, definitely with 10 of swords and 3 of swords. Someone has cheated you, deceived you, or either this can be your energy also, okay. Your heart chakra is quite blocked with this queen of swords energy. I am feeling bottom of the deck, queen of swords energy, I can feel it, your heart chakra is quite blocked. So you have felt some deceived or dished or cheated by somebody, or you have cheated someone. Your heart chakra is blocked, your heart is hurting basically, and you have struggled a lot. Something has definitely ended in your life, and I don't see it in one area, I can see in 2-3 areas. Whether you have something has ended in your career situation, in your money situation, or something has ended in your relationship situation, or something has ended in your life personally, professionally. Depends on your situation, depends on the person to person. But definitely if you or your person was in this energy, in and out, on and off, on and off, then this has been changed, done, and ended this thing this thing, okay. So let's see more cards I want to pull out. Two energies I am feeling, okay. So for some of you, you currently are in this hermit mode, very slow energy. I've told you, like, you are in a some sort of slow energy. You are introspecting a lot, you are going within, so your energy is quite slow, and this has happened after some sort of ending has occurred in your life. And for some of you, someone's death has made you realize something. I don't know why I am feeling for some of you, you have received your bad karmas, or your, I don't know, if your person has done something wrong to you, they have received their bad karmas. If you have done something wrong to someone, you have received some bad karmas, and something has ended. Definitely your heart chakra is blocked. And for some of you Sagittarius, you love to win in the argument, or you might use sharp tongue, and you never realize that your tongue might hurt somebody, or definitely your heart chakra is blocked, or you use sharp tongue towards your loved one also, and you never realize that can hurt somebody. And some sort of sorry, excuse me, definitely some sort of injustice has happened to someone in this picture. And you will receive justice, final judgment from God, angel, universe, whomever you believe in. Ace of Swords. So you have received some sort of clarity. If not, then in April month, all the karmic relationship will be ending, all the karmic situation will be ending, and you'll receive some sort of clarity, and truth will be cleared out. Foggy situation will be removed, forward movement will come into your life. You'll come out of this slow, stagnant and energy. For some of you Sagittarius, you are working and focusing on your money, like I've said. Yes, definitely somebody over here loves to win in the argument. If you are a male watching this, then you love to win in the argument, and people get tired of you and they leave you, because you use sharp tongue, your heart chakra is blocked, and you love always winning in the argument, even on the basis of relationship, even you can sacrifice the relationship, but you will love to win in the argument if you are male watching this. Yeah. So you should not be so much logical, and you should also listen to other person's perspective also, and don't argue so much. Try to understand their situation, their perspective also, okay. It is not possible that only one person is always right in every situation, every time, okay. So if you are not aware about this, if you are not still working on your arguments nature, or on your argumentative mind, or on your logical mind, then some sort of tower movement will be coming in the month of April, and a lot of endings will happen. And you might receive some karmas, and you might receive some truth and clarity. Or if that person was argumentative, then they will receive some karmas, and justice will be served basically from the angels, God, universe. Definitely. For some of you, you can be on twin flame journey. You can be on twin flame journey, and you need to understand that. You are not trying to understand. For some of you, especially if you are a man watching this, male watching this, you have this energy, Knight of Wands energy. You don't stay in a relationship. You just walk out and then come, then go, and come and then go. So people get tired of that situation. People want stability. Okay, other partner wants stability, but you don't give them stability. So you might just have a physical relationship or attraction or a fling or one night stand type of a relationship in your whole life. If you are a male watching this, or if you are female watching this, you are dealing with such person. So yeah, so in April month, lot of endings will occur, lot of truth and clarity and will be coming in your life, and you will come out of the darkness, and you'll see the true colors of people. Fogginess, illusion will be removed out of your life. You do a lot of arguments, and you do a lot of fighting with people. You use sharp tongue, your heart chakra is blocked. That angels will make you realize in the month of April. Thank you so much. This is what I feel for you. This is not a personal reading. You can book a private reading. Okay, this is a general reading. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Please like, share, subscribe.